When it comes to finding survey instrument accessory dealers in Connaught Place, Delhi, one name that stands out is Scon Design. With a reputation for providing high-quality products and excellent customer service, Scon Design is a trusted name in the industry. Whether you are in need of survey instruments or accessories, they have a wide range of options to choose from. Their knowledgeable team of experts can help you find the right equipment for your specific needs, ensuring that you have the tools necessary to complete your surveying projects with precision and accuracy. Located in the heart of Connaught Place, Scon Design is conveniently situated for those in Delhi and the surrounding areas. As one of the leading survey instrument accessory dealers in the city, they offer a comprehensive selection of products to cater to the needs of professionals in various industries. From tripods and measuring rods to prisms and markers, they have everything you need to make your surveying tasks easier and more efficient. Their inventory includes products from top brands, ensuring that you are getting equipment that is reliable and built to last. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each customer has unique requirements, and they strive to provide personalized service to meet those needs. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field of surveying, their team of experts will take the time to understand your specific needs and recommend the right products for you. They are always available to answer any questions you may have and provide guidance on the best practices for using their equipment. In addition to their wide range of products, Scon Design also offers competitive pricing. They understand that cost is an important factor for many customers, and they strive to provide affordable options without compromising on quality. By offering competitive prices, they make it easier for professionals to access the equipment they need without breaking the bank. This commitment to affordability has made them a popular choice among survey instrument accessory dealers in Connaught Place. If you are in need of survey instruments or accessories in Connaught Place, Delhi, look no further than Scon Design. With their wide range of products, knowledgeable team, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are the go-to dealer for professionals in the industry. Whether you need a new tripod or a set of prisms, they have the equipment you need to get the job done right. Visit their store today or browse their website to explore their inventory and take advantage of their competitive prices. When it comes to finding reliable survey instrument accessory dealers in Connaught Place, Delhi, Scon Design is a name that stands out. With their extensive range of survey instrument accessories and a reputation for quality products, Scon Design has become a trusted choice for professionals in the field. Whether you are in need of tripods, prisms, surveying poles, or any other accessory for your surveying instruments, Scon Design is the place to go. Connaught Place in Delhi is known for its bustling marketplaces and a wide array of shops catering to various needs. In this vibrant hub, Scon Design has established itself as a premier destination for survey instrument accessory dealers. Their store is conveniently located and easily accessible, making it convenient for customers to visit and explore their extensive range of products. One of the key factors that set Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Connaught Place is their commitment to quality. They